Welcome to 9331 State Route 56 in Coalmont, Tennessee. My name is Amber Bringier, and I'm with Exit Realty, Bob Lamb & Associates, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful property and everything it offers. Stay tuned, keep watching. You don't want to miss this one. One of the great things about this property is it is located on almost 9 acres and is only a short 30-minute drive to I-24. You have the country feel with the convenience. This home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and a bonus room and so much more. Keep watching. This has 2, not just 1, but 2 garages. One is a 25 by 29 detached garage with a workshop. The other is a 25 by 32 huge shop. What could you use 2 shops for? So like I said, this property has 9 acres and the entire property is fenced. So what could you use for a 2-stall horse barn with a large tack area? Come on now, bring your horses. One of the great things else about this property is it offers this cabin that has a full kitchen, a loft, and a full bathroom. So you could either enjoy it with your family and or rent it out. Say thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you know anyone who would like to put their toes in the water this summer, please share and like. We are so grateful again for the opportunity to take a few minutes of your time, and we are honored that you watched this video today. Again, thank you so much. My name is Amber Bringier. I'm with Exit Realty, Bob Lamb & Associates. My phone number is 615-586-8930. I look forward to hearing from you today, and make it a great day.